We're here at Timbers Pub and Grill located on Route 715 in Readers, and joining me is Tiffany Johnson, owner-manager here. Tiffany, great to have you on the program.
Thank you.
Let's talk a little bit about Timbers. I understand you offer 4 different experiences here. What is that?
So we have an upstairs dining room. As you can see, this is where our main dinner takes place every night. We also have a bar upstairs, so you can either come in to dine or you can sit on the bar side. We also have a downstairs pub, and that is like our main bar that's open for lunch and dinner daily. And we have an outside. So we have the beautiful terrace that's been open for 2 years now. So we open that from May to October.
So when people come here, they have a choice of different places to go, either upstairs, downstairs, or outside.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about the food that you offer here. What type of food how would you describe it?
Some of our signature items, we just came out with a brand new menu. So we have a brand new signature cocktail list and a brand new menu. So we added about 10 different items. Wednesdays are always super busy for our wing night. We do half off for wing night. And I would say Friday nights are really busy as well. We have the best prime rib around. So we have a prime rib and steak night. So we have a New York strip or a prime rib night that we do every Friday night.
Let's talk a little bit about the entertainment. I know you have music, you also have line dancing.
So in the summer, outside, we do line dancing. It's every other Thursday in the summertime. And then we do have live music outside as well, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays when we're open. We always have something going on. If you want to check out our monthly calendar events, you can check it out on Facebook or our website at timberspubandgrill.com. We also do private events, and I'm pretty much booking out for the whole summer. I already have a bunch booked. Graduation parties, birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, rehearsal dinners, grandma's birthday, anybody.
It's kind of one of those places that you want people to come to and feel comfortable at, right? And everybody kind of knows you.
Yeah. It's kind of like Cheers here, everyone says. And everyone kind of knows everyone. And like I said, we just really listen to our customers, whatever they want.
I understand you have a cancer benefit every year. Tell us about that.
It's going to be September 20th of this year. And it's great. All of our staff and community come together and they volunteer their time. And we volunteer all of our tips and stuff that we make that day. And all the proceeds that we make outside that day go to local families or local organizations that benefit cancer.
People want to find out more information about Timbers. How do they do that?
We're on Facebook. We also have a website. It's timberspubandgrill.com. And we are located on 2100 Route 715 in Stroudsburg.